Hey guys, welcome to the video. This here is a Harley-Davidson Street, and we're gonna basically connect this thing, and this is an adapter for charging a phone, or you could be charging anything. Honestly, I'm gonna be charging phones and cameras and stuff on the go. This is basically just gonna give you a USB outlet. I actually have two in here, so if you guys are interested in this, definitely leave the link in the description. This is from Amazon, so not hard to find. And let's go ahead and put this on. Only thing that we're gonna need is zip ties, and that's pretty much it. Untie this thing. It comes with a very small wire, unfortunately, so here's what we can do. So basically we would have to zip tie our way with all these wires and stuff, and then I believe this is probably the farthest you can come up to, but again, this is the engine. It's gonna get hot, so obviously we can't keep anything wire and stuff there. The shield also gets hot. It's hot right now, even though the bike wasn't on for long, so that could be another issue. This thing is pretty waterproof, so like, you know, as long as you keep your cap on like this, you should be good. So in this case, what I was thinking is we just bring this up here and just leave it in here. So whenever I do need to charge anything, I can just charge it right through this. And you know, this is where the fuse box is. This is the, I think these are the relays here, but yeah, there you go. Honestly, I was actually thinking about going all the way up there somewhere on the neck, and then kind of having a, you know, just like mounted up there, but it looks like that can't happen. But just for security purposes, so this doesn't fall off, I'm gonna grab a zip tie. I'm gonna basically throw the zip tie in like that, and I will basically just make sure you run it through properly. For example, I'm gonna run it behind the frame here, so you know it doesn't get snagged up by the passenger or anything, and then just plug it in like that. And then I will take the zip tie here and just zip tie this whole thing to, you know, something here. So I could put it here on the back here, so this will be pretty close to me where I'm at, and whatever I'm charging, that could basically, you know, go in my backpack, and you know, so have the thing. I also have saddlebags here, so whatever I'm charging can go right in the saddlebag or my backpack or in my pocket, or if I have a wire going up to the front of the bike, that could charge my phone. So, you know, stuff like that. So here we are good to go. I'm just gonna keep it loose a little bit, just like that, because, you know, I don't want this thing interfering or getting it on the way here. So I think this is pretty good, honestly, and I'm just gonna just for the sake of, you know, this not getting caught up in the tire or anything, I'm gonna pull it as much as I can, just like that. So you see, no matter what happens, it's not gonna go and get snagged on the tire. After making sure of that, one more maybe, there you go. I will just like go up ahead and tie these all up.
I would tie this down here.
Yeah. So let's actually tie this on. There you go. You'll see all the wires on the bike, they're always, like, you know, tied up with zip ties and stuff very nicely, making sure that nothing goes to places that they're not supposed to. So just make sure we follow that stuff. And then we obviously have these caps for waterproofing, and they're hanging out pretty badly, so you don't want them hanging out like that. So we're also going to make sure that these are also tightened up properly. Let me see if these, oh, right there. So it locks in with each other, and I'm just gonna hold this wire here to the brake line, just so it doesn't, you know, somehow get loose with the wind or anything. There you go. The more security, the better. You can never be too much safe. So there you go. It's all good to go. Snip the excess off just like that, just so it doesn't like hang out too much, catch a lot of attention. And there you go. Clean the extras off everywhere. And then we will basically put this back on. Where did it go? Okay. There you go. Works like a charm. As if like nothing is there. So obviously, you know, we'll have to basically take the wire out, and I'll probably leave the wire in the saddlebag in a way so it's always easy for me to grab them. But I do need a pretty long wire to get to the phone here, so you know, that's something I would have to think about. I wish I could bring it up a little bit more. This thing here is basically a charger for the bike, so it basically keeps it charged when it's winter time. So this is what we're using to get the power. But again, you could just cut this off, connect it directly to the battery, and then just go all the way up here as you wish, or you can even add extensions or whatnot if you're comfortable doing all of that. But for me, it's good like that. So that's about it for this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys next time. Peace.